Hello and welcome to another episode of What's Inside. Today we're looking at 4 packs of Power Rangers Action Card Game Booster Packs. These are from the Universe of Hope expansion. And we got 4 of them here, as you can see. And we're going to open these up and see what we got. So let's get right into it. Let's get these kind of over here a little bit so they're not in the way. There's 90 cards in the Universe of Hope Booster Series. Each pack contains 6 common, 3 rare, and 1 special insert. So that's 10 cards with a guaranteed good card. So let's see what we got. Alright, first of all we've got an Omega Ranger foil. Boom. Let's keep those to the side because they're pretty cool looking. I got a Sky Megazord. A Magna Defender, a Jungle Fury Wolf Ranger, a Pink Time Force Ranger, Crimson Ninja Storm Ranger, Tricerazord, Yellow Wild Force Ranger, Yellow Time Force Ranger, and a Blue Wild Force Ranger. Alright, that's pack number 1. Let's see what number 2's got for us. If I can get the packaging open. There we go. These packs are pretty well sealed. I'll give them credit for that. Alright, first we've got our foil. It's the Green Samurai Ranger Super Mode. Pretty cool. Then we've got a Red Ultra Mega Force Ranger, a Thunder Source Megazord, a Jungle Pride Megazord, Blue Zeo Ranger, Blue Ninja Storm Ranger, Camille, Zeltrax, Yellow Time Force Ranger, and lastly, a Yellow Zeo Ranger. Alright, let's get to pack 3. With only 90 cards in the deck, or in the set, you have a pretty good chance of getting all of these fairly easily. The foils probably be a little bit more difficult. Alright, we've got Ninja Storm Power Rangers. That's our foil, that's pretty cool looking. Then we've got a Magna Defender, which is already a duplicate. Red Lightspeed Rescue Ranger. A Q-Rex Megazord. A Red Mega Force Ranger, a Pink Zeo Ranger, another Camille, Tyrannosaurus, a Red Jungle Fury Ranger, and lastly a Black Wild Force Ranger. Not bad. We got a few duplicates so far. That's not too bad though. That's to be expected with such a small expansion. But it also means you probably need to buy fewer packs to get the full set. Alright, our last pack. We've got a Gold Zeo Ranger. Then we have a Triassic Ranger. A Red Lightspeed Rescue Ranger, a Black Dino Thunder Ranger, a Blue Jungle Fury Ranger, a Black Mighty Morphin Ranger, Green Zeo Ranger, Red Wild Force Ranger, Blue Wild Force Ranger, and lastly, a Blue Dino Thunder Ranger. This was kind of a blue pack. There's a lot of blues. But we did get the Black Mighty Morphin Ranger, which is pretty cool because that's the first one of the original group I've seen. I think. But yeah, not bad. We got 4 different foils, which is good. So that's cool because the first booster set that we went through, the Guardians, that one had a duplicate, unfortunately, in our first 4 packs. But this one did not, and there's fewer cards in this set. So that's the Universe of Hope boosters. Give you kind of an idea what you can expect in there for your set. Remember, you can scan these with the app, if you can still get the app, and watch little video clips. So that's a pretty cool bonus. But that'll do it for this episode. We've seen what's inside, kind of get an idea what to expect. The foils are pretty cool. Card quality's good. The back of the cards looks pretty cool too, just like the others. But that'll do it for this episode. As always, thank you for watching, and we hope to see you next time on What's Inside.